Hi guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and today I will be showing you how I use one lash for a natural look. Alright guys, well I have one lash here and I am going to make it into two. So what I'm going to do is just get it off of the packaging and I'll be back. Alright guys, well I like trying to look as natural as possible. So what I am going to do is take this one lash and turn it into two. And you're simply going to cut it in half. After you cut your lash in half, it should look like this. Okay? I'm going to apply glue to it now. And I'm going to put it on the front side, the glue on the front side of the lash. And the reason why I'm doing that is because of how I am going to apply it. I like this look because it looks natural, and also this can stay on for days, even when I'm sleeping and all that. Because a lot of times when I was just wearing the natural lash and say I didn't take it off, man, my lashes will be all turned all different type of ways in the morning. So we're letting this dry, and the way that I place my lash on makes a difference too, to add to how natural it looks. So the lash look like this. The lash look like this, and the smaller end is here, so that means it goes on this eye. But I'm not just going to place it on my eye. I'm going to go underneath with mine. I hope you can see this how I do it. So I'm going under, not over. You can either lift your eye and place it, or just place it. It's underneath. I places it in the middle because I don't like for my lashes to flare out on the end. These are mine, so and if you want, you can put on mascara or eyeliner, but this is enough for me. Got the lash. You want to put that glue on the front band. Like I said, even if you wear thicker lashes, this technique will work well. So, after you put the glue on, it's best to bend it. You want to bend it so that it will fit the curve of your eye when you're applying it, you know, underneath. So, let me turn you. So I'm going in the middle, and I'm just placing it underneath. And for me, guys, this is so much easier to apply. All right, guys, what do you think? I love this technique. Not only do it keep a lot of other products off of your lashes, like the mascara, if you apply it first, and the eyeliner, it'll stay off of your lashes and not clunk them up because it's going to be on top. Your lashes are applied underneath. It's just a technique that helps your lashes look more natural, in my opinion, and it helps your lashes last longer because you're only using one lash at a time. So guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And as always, stay safe, Stay blessed. Love one another. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.